Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus is presented as a high-performance, 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, currently available at a competitive price point. It is designed to offer a completely hands-free cleaning experience, combining powerful suction with smart, low-maintenance features. Key features and specifications. Superior cleaning power, delivers a powerful suction of 8,000 pascals, effectively tackling fine dust, pet hair, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. It also features PureCyclone technology and a 4-stage filter system that purifies the air while cleaning. Advanced mopping utilizes OZMO Pro 2.0 technology, which employs a vibrating mop to effectively scrub and remove stubborn stains, ensuring floors are left genuinely clean and with a polished finish. Zero maintenance convenience. The unit comes with an innovative bagless automatic emptying station, 1.5 L capacity, significantly reducing long-term costs associated with disposable bags. Pet-friendly design. Features the zero-tangle system to prevent pet hair from wrapping around the brush, minimizing manual intervention required to maintain the roller. Enduring battery life, equipped with a 5,200 mAh battery, providing a generous runtime of up to 5 hours of continuous cleaning, in its quietest mode. Smart control. Full control is available via a mobile application, allowing for cleaning scheduling, mode selection, and status monitoring. It also offers seamless integration with smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home for voice activation. The ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus is a compact, 35.3 cm diameter, 9.6 cm height, solution suitable for homes requiring a powerful, low-maintenance, and intelligently controlled cleaning appliance. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.